off now. He's a bit old. I think how old is he? Maybe 4 years old, going 5. My ginger cat, my Persian cat is only 7 months old. Yeah, and he keeps getting into fights with the other cats. There are lots of stray cats here. Before, I didn't have cats, but my daughter and my son, they love animals. They want cats, they want dogs, and they just, stray cat they took inside the house. And that's how we started having cats. Sis Manilyn! Ayan, I'm only going to do a 1 hour live. I just want to update my analytics. Hopefully, with the watch hour. Tusok is thumbs up. Tusok, thumbs up. We just changed the word around. It's actually like, like and thumbs up. Sometimes you see thumbs up. We usually use thumbs up. This one. You usually see this. Oh, done na daw sa talong mo si Tita Elsie. May pasok ka sis Manilyn. Nagpasok ka sa school. Yung sinabi mo sa akin, nag-aaral ka. Ayan, don't forget. Ay, bukas yung live ni Ate Lynn ha. Don't forget the members of Ate Lynn's channel. You have to watch the videos that I dropped last Thursday. Doon ako, I will get the questions from there. Okay, Jane, ayan, thank you. Please come. Tapos, pwede mo ring invite yung mga friends mo doon para makadikitan din namin. Invite your team over. Si Jazz, ganun ginagawa niya. Jazz always invites her friends over during Lino's live. Okay, Jazz. Good night. Sleep well. Thank you so much, Jazz. I'm playing your playlist, okay? Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. No, it's okay, Jazz. Ayan, 5 minutes na lang. I have 5 minutes left and I'm gonna also end my live because I have to continue my laundry. Ayan, Marites pa more. Marites pa more. Bye, Jazz. Good night. Thank you. I'll be staying for 5 more minutes and then I'm also gone. Ayan, di ba? Yung paglalaba ko na pending. Pamarites na ako. Ayan, punta ka rin sa sa birthday live ko, Jane, para makasali ka sa members ruleta. Anyways, kahit wala naman yung members ko, binibigay ko naman basta manalo. CP bago, oo. YT muna bago trabaho sa bahay, no? Kaninang umaga pa yun, maaga. Napaakyat ako sa live, nagpa-bingo kasi si Ate Eden. Ayun, napending yung labahin ko. Diba? YT pa more. YT is live. Saan ka sa Kabuyaw? Meron kaming ka-community si Hansniel TV. Taga Kabuyaw siya. nga ba si Sans niya? Sa Kabuyaw? Kalimutan. Malapit siya sa City Hall. Kasi pag nakikipag-meet up ako sa kanya sa may City Hall, sa 7-Eleven doon. Ayan, Tita Elsie. Pag wala kang ginagawa, punta ka dito sa bahay. Kasi pwede na siguro tayo pumunta sa Monday ng hapon sa Osmond Els. Kahit masakit pa yung tuhod ko. Para makapagpa-schedule kung wala kang lakad. Ay, di pala. Monday ng umaga. Tama. Kasi Monday ng hapon. May lakad pala kami ni Tita Nick. Punta ka nga lang dito mamaya. Ayan, 2 minutes mo. Maraming salamat, guys. Ayan. 5 viewers. Thank you so much. 3. Bakit dito isa 5? Ayan. Thank you so much, guys. Sis Manilyn, salamat. Sis Trisha, Glory, Jenna. Thank you. Ayan, mag-thank you na ako, ha. Ma'am Imelda, thank you so much. Saan ka po ba sa US? Hindi ka pa po natutulog. Ayan, si Ma'am Imelda rin, babad na babad sa YT. Sana all. Ayan, si Lisang Q din. Lisang Q, are you there? Lisang Q, pap, moko sa'yo? Lisang Sun. Wala na sila, nawala na yung mga Koreano. Lisang Q still there. Pap, moko sa'yo? Lisang Q. He, anggo payo. Nako. Hanggukmal moteo. Oryo wo. Hanggukmal. Yongo aroyo. Hindi siya nasagot. Hanggukmal mula. Mula. Alright, naka 1 hour na ako. I'm going to end my live. Sobrang ko lang ng 1 minuto. Thank you so much, Lisang Q. Gamsahamnida. See you tomorrow. Dale Achime. Ba. Okay, Lisang Q. Dale Achime. Lino Live. Thank you, Sis Jane. See you tomorrow sa live ni Ate Lynn. Ayan, kung gusto mo mag-invite ka. Pwede kayo magpa-entry doon para sa upcoming GLS ni Ate sa October. Okay, Korea. I will pin your link. Oh no, hindi ko yan. Okay, I will pin your link. Oh, yummy. What is this? Naengmyeon? Is this naengmyeon? No? I don't know. Okay, mag-end na ako. I'm going to end my live now. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. I think this is enough for today. I will